So this is Surfin Bird at Bike Park, Wales. It's a red trail with quite a lot of drops. And I can get the drop. There you go, I see, I told it, good. Beeline drop there, but I did a little drop. Anyway, trail to trail, choose your own lines. I can do that one. It's the next one. I didn't actually get off. We count as an improvement. I stayed on the bike. I did that a bit smoother earlier, but hey, I did it. I'll do this one. Caught pedals. I got through. And then I guess we're going on to Bluebell. So that was Surfin Bird. And after that, you need to relax. And we're going to relax on Bluebell.